Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. Tons and tons of you when you right on over here. Special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and they are still here with me, manners and respect every single time. Now today, this is a video and it's going to be a two-part video. You know it's the holiday season. We have whole roast chicken on the channel, but we're still going to do for you another one. This one is going to be a little more in-depth. We're going to use this part one of the video to show you how you just use. I'm just going to be using just my herbs to season this chicken, and I'm going to be leaving it in my refrigerator overnight to marinate. And then part two, we'll be roasting or baking this chicken in the oven, and when it comes out, we'll be dressing it to fit Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner table. You'll see in part two, as soon as when it's finished roasting, we will be dressing the chicken for the table. And I know you'd like to stick around for part two. Now let's get rolling. Now we have our whole chicken here. It's been properly cleaned and all of that, and it should be like dry, almost dry. You know, you don't want a lot of water running out of it. And this little piece here, it comes off the leg, family. The legs here, they have two little pieces. That all the time I see people doing chicken and they leave them on, like some little tin. They are supposed to come off. This is what I'm talking about. You all know what I'm talking about. It's not a part of the chicken to stay on when you're cooking. So you need to remove that, okay? Now that we have that chicken there, all washed and partially drained, I'm washing out my kitchen rack, family. We want to proceed to know what we are going to put on the inside. You want to use your gloves. If you have your gloves, use. Me not have no gloves here right about now. I need to get some. So I'm going to be using this. So what I have right in here, and I've got to be putting it into something that I can work my way around. Camera girl, could you get in here? This is some pimento powder and some salt. So let me tell you something. When you're roasting a chicken, you must season inside of the chicken too. If you don't season it, where are you going to get the flavors from on the inside? So the very first place you season when you're preparing a whole chicken for roasting, baking, rotisserie, grilling, smoking, whatever, you must season on the inside. Okay? You don't have to over season it, but you must season on the inside. Thoroughly. And I guess you know how to clean your chicken, how to wash and clean your old chicken. If you don't, then I might have to do a video for you on how to do that. You don't want to put any salt, too much salt on this chicken, because whilst baking or roasting, we always try to make sauces and to melt butter and stuff like that to rub onto the chicken. So you want to go low with your salt. You want to go low with your salt. So this is what we are doing with this chicken. Salt and pimento, crushed pimento. So we have done on the inside and we are doing on the outside. So take our hand from our bag. Now I have here half of a red onion, and I'm going to be just cutting it in two, because I'm going to be putting, this is what I am putting. If you would like to use what I'm putting, I'll leave it for you in the description. I am putting I have here, okay, a whole ripe Scotch bonnet pepper. It won't burst. Flavors, I'm looking some serious holiday flavor. So we're putting it in there along with a piece of thyme. Put it in there with a piece of thyme, stuffing it all the way down. Now I've got right here a piece of lemongrass. I'll be smashing this lemongrass. Family, our kitchen with it. nice flavor. So I have in there my half of a red onion. I've got in there my piece of lemongrass, and that is what my Scotch bonnet pepper and my little herbs and my little pimento and salt that I use to rub inside. So this is what I'm putting inside there for now. Now, okay, we can put a peg or two of garlic too. Yes, I forgot that. So we're gonna put that down in there. Okay, this is okay. You don't want to put too much because this chicken is not a big chicken. It's just like maybe 4.5 pounds. What I'm gonna do now, these are some special scallions in Jamaica. We call them St. Andrew scallion. Now St. Andrew is a parish in Jamaica. I guess these scallions are grown specifically in St. Andrew. This is what they look like. If you notice them, they look totally, these parts, you saw them, Brad? They are totally different from our regular scallions. These are some specially flavored scallion, and at all times it's more expensive, way expensive than our regular scallions. This price of this scallion never go down because it's proper. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut off up here, and I'm gonna be using only down here. So let me just get it all washed up. And I'm gonna be giving it a little dry. I am gonna treat it just as how I treated the lemongrass. I'm gonna be smashing my garlic. Use as much garlic as you like. I'm not grating it if you notice. Smashing about 5 pegs of garlic. Yep. Smashing a piece of ginger. And I'm going to be smashing this with my mallet. So I'm going to go smash this and return. Okay, now my family, all smashed to my liking, and I'm going to be putting it in there. Okay? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to wipe my hands. I'm going to proceed to get my hands back inside my little Ziploc here. Now the working begins. I'm gonna be using just this green part of the scallions, keeping the chicken like this, and we're going with the thyme and the garlic, and I'm going to be giving it a thorough rub. I'm gonna rub it, and you understand what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be rubbing this probably constantly another 3 minutes. So when I'm through, I'll return to you. Okay, now family, this is what it looks like. I have literally bathed this chicken in the green scallions. I've used it to give it a proper scrub. You know when you're dark country and them like rash kitchen and use guac and bathe you. So I've look at this. I've literally bathed this chicken in these green herbs. So I'm going to be putting it right now in a Ziploc. And I'm going to be putting all of these down in there. Okay? Putting all of them down in there, and I'm going to close my Ziploc, cover it up, and I'm going to be leaving it inside my refrigerator. I'm like about 5:30 p.m. now, Jamaica time, and I'm going to be leaving it in there, inside this Ziploc, in my refrigerator, Lord have mercy, refrigerator for another 12 hours. 12 hours time. Let me seal in these flavors. 12 hours time. Try to keep it like this on the up. Okay, like this. 12 hours time. We'll return it. We'll remove it from our refrigerator, I'm sorry. And we will be removing all these herbs. We can't roast it or bake it with these. So we will be removing them, and then we're gonna get our cavity down there, sew up with a little kitchen string to keep those flavors that we stuffed in there are locked in. Maybe we put tie the 2 legs together, and we'll proceed to roast. Okay? I hope you have followed all that I've done. If you'd like to see I do mine, and look at it. When we come tomorrow morning, we'll be seeing some juice in this bag. Okay? This is what it looks like, and that is what is gonna happen. Stick and stay. Debbie down a yard, same way. Part 2 will be in your face after this.